Yeah. Pulled up on an op block, hit the opposition with the chopper, slide off like the cha-cha.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hope you guys had a great Memorial weekend. Hope you guys were staying safe, quarantined, but also spending some time with loved ones. Safely though. It's rules, we have to. So anyways guys, we're back with another modification. We'll be doing a lot of performance mods for the past few videos. I wanted to switch it up to something cosmetic, but this one is on the inside. I worked with this company. I'll drop their name. I don't want to mispronounce it. I believe it's AoonuAuto. I'm sorry. I'll put the name somewhere in this video. They actually worked and gave me and created for me a customized door sill for my car. Alright, so let me show you what that is. Alright guys, so here's what comes in the box. You get the two door sills. They even give you the wire harness, even to give you connectors, which is pretty cool. For my part, I think you're going to need is a what do you call it? I believe it's a door trim, prior. You need one of those plastic priors, a heat gun or a hair dryer if you're broke like me, and what connectors they already gave you. So what we're going to do, we have to connect these to power in the car for the door. So we don't want to connect it to the door light when you open it because you're going to see the wire. So I found a way to connect it. I'm going to show you right now. Alright guys, come with me under here. This is what we're going to do. You see the light that comes on here? This comes on when the door is open. We're actually going to run and jump the power from here, run the wire down alongside here, jump it off of here guys. Alright, so let's start this process. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come here and we're going to pry the sills off gently. These things have never been up since 2013. Oh, I think I lost a clip. Yes, I did. Oh, no, we're still good. All right, so it's still good here. Perfect. So this is what we're prying up. We're lifting these tabs up from here. Clean this out a little bit. And next, what we want to do is actually lift this up as well, because this is where we're going to run the wire. Got to be very gentle with these things. Alright, so clip, 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 and slider in here. Make sure I got them the right way when they go back in. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're actually going to run the wires under here and up through this. I already, for the sake of time, I already connected a wire to my light switch over here. So I connected the two wires there, and then I ran it alongside. Let me bring you guys here. You see? If you can see, it's a positive and negative. And then I ran it underneath here, brought it alongside here, and I'm gonna bring it to the corner and gonna meet right here. All right, so let me finish running this and I'll show you guys. All right guys, so once you have the wires hooked up guys, so red positive, red and black, or anything with black, brown, anything opposite red is always negative. So red is positive, in this case red and black, negative. So the wire underneath the car has two wires as well. One of them has red in it, the other one has brown and black, I believe. So the one with red in it, you hook the red wire up to that, The one with the brown and black, you hook the black wire up to that. I snaked it underneath the dash and bring it down to the front. I'll show you that in a second. What we need to do, we need to remove the old M sticker off of this sill. All right, so this is where the hair dryer comes in handy. I'm going to heat this up a bit, and I'm going to take the pry tool and kind of snake it out. All right, I'm going to show you. All right, guys, got my wife's handy dandy heater slash hair dryer, and we're just going to heat this up a little bit. Bring it up along the way. Alright guys, take a little alcohol pad that I had there. Just gonna thoroughly wipe the 7 years of dirt away. Alright, we want to get a nice clean surface on this to stick the new door sills on. Alright, so new door sill, want to line it up as best as you possibly can. Stick it on. It has our 3M tape. Stick it on, and we'll run the wire after. So let me do this right now, and I'll get right back to you. Alright guys, new door sill is on. Now, what we want to do is just lift up this rubber piece. Right, just enough to get this wire underneath. Push these back in the holes. Just like that. Pull this in. Once we put the plastic over there, we won't see this wire at all. Alright. Now, this is the wire that I ran from up there. I snaked it down, right? So now this is the wire harness that has to be connected to this. So I'm going to use my connectors, connect these two wires together, and let's see it work in action. All right, so let me connect red to red, black to black. And this is extra wires, guys. You should always try to get some extra wires, because the amount of wires they send you is not meant to run all the way up there. So get some extra wires if you're doing this. All right, so I'm gonna connect red to red, black to black, and get right back to you guys. All right, guys, also failed to mention they did send connectors, if I didn't mention this, and electrical tape and a little tester. Don't know where that is, but they sent a little voltage tester as well with the kit, which is pretty cool. Some instructions book, and this is just the invoice, but instructions obviously in different language, but it's simple. All right, so get back to connecting this, get back to you guys. Hey guys, good day, good morning. It is the next day. Didn't have time to finish this side, so I'm going to do this side. I just wanted to point out for future references for you guys who are doing this, because this is my first time doing this. So a little piece of this will stick out, this red and black wire. So what I would do, which I did last night, I would take some electrical tape and wrap it around this. so it kind of all blends in black with the rubber piece that sits there. So I'm going to electrical tape this in black, then I'm going to install it. It's the same thing as the other side, so I don't think recording it makes any sense. So I'm going to record this, then show you guys that finished product, then wrap up. Alright guys, so what's going to be maybe 30 minutes for me is going to be a quick second for you. So by the time we come back, this should be done. Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed that little install. I know I've been doing nothing but performance install for the past couple videos, and I wanted to do something different. You know, I had reached out to this company a few weeks ago, and asked them about the product, if they could make something for me. They agreed, no problems. Very great customer service. Instantly respond. They are really good. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the link below, guys. I'm going to leave all the details. And also, if you use my name, Moses Experience, at checkout, you can save 10%. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I kind of fought for that, so any one of my subscribers can get something off. You know what I mean? Like, it's no point if I can't help people, right? So if you want, I'm going to leave all the description below, the links. Again, use my name at checkout, save 10%. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. I see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay quarantined, be healthy. Peace.
Pulled up on a op block, hit the opposition with the chopper. Slide off like the cha-cha. When the feds come, we don't habla. Young, rich, and I'm handsome.